this is the beauty expert, Katie's sister here. I just wanted to do a review on this thing that it's like this pretty umbrella that I think it's
Ruby, by the way.
Yeah, it's usually supposed to be in China. I don't really know where I got this though, but if you can see very, very closely, they have like this pretty design on
Cheese
it.
hiccups.
Yes, I do. Pretty design on it, and I think it's just really, really pretty. How they make it, and again, look at the design. It's like so fragile and beautiful, and it's very, very old. As you can see inside of it, like it's like it's a big difference than. Like it's a big difference of a real umbrella, and you can see how it has like a screw right there. Right there. Okay. So now my next thing is, I know that was like really pretty, but I can't. My sister's rushing me because this is her channel, and then this is my bag that I got from Clears. It has a little
Clears.
gold hummingbird. And oh yes, this is why I'm doing this on my sister's page because I forgot my thing. It's Casey Princess, you know. So yeah, but I'll talk more about my bag right now. It's kind of dirty because I went to a soccer game and this is what I used.
You know, I used.
Kitty shush. And so I love peace signs, so I got this in the bowl. It's just so pretty. And I wanted to show you something. This is my sister's perfume, but I have the same kind. And like it's really, really pretty. I got it from Bath and Body Works. And it is Pink Sugar Plum. It's the Holiday Traditions, and it's a fragrance mist.
Fragrance.
Yeah. And it's the 3 fluid ounce and 80 milligrams. So,
8 fluid ounces.
Yeah. And so it just really, really smells good. And sorry, I'm putting this on.
What are you doing in your armpits for? You're young. Whoa, Casey, you just over my nose. Man, I already got shower gel on my nose. I got some poop on my nose at the same time. I'm gonna be sending it with sugar plum. Oh my gosh.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
signing off. Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye. Night. I'm gonna do another video soon.